Google's unleashed a powerful new Gmail tool. RETVec will protect your inbox from spam. But what is it? It's short for Resilient and Efficient Text Vectorizer. Bit of a mouthful, but it's a cool tool that supercharges Gmail spam detection. Smart spammers use invisible characters and other tricks to fool filters. RETVec sees through their tricks. The result? Gmail's spam detection rate increased by 38% with 19% fewer false alarms. But here's the catch. Some legit emails may get caught too, especially for businesses sending out promotions. So keep a close eye on your email marketing analytics. We're hoping for a similar improvement to Outlook email in the future. If you need help keeping your inbox safe, we can do that. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.